guys, it's me, Hannah, and can you tell if there's anything different? Yes, I got bangs, and also I am wearing the same shirt that I was in the last video, but honestly, I really want it. That was like a week ago that I filmed that video, so it's clean, don't worry. So today we're going to be testing out, it's not really a new product, it's new to me. It is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and I thought, you know, I bet there would be someone out there who still wants a review on this, and it's been sold out for forever. That's why I'm just now getting my hands on it. Like, it came out in October, I think, but literally it's been sold out since October, and I finally got it because it was just, like, restocked on Sephora's website, like, couple days ago. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so this is supposed to be a super full coverage foundation, so I'm going to use a sponge with it because if I use a brush, it would just make it even more full coverage. But it's supposed to be a full coverage, kind of like that filtered-esque, and I did get brown sugar for 10G. I do have a kind of normal to oily. I get oily around like my T-zone, like my forehead, my T-zone, and like my chin, and then everywhere else is kind of just normal. I do have acneic skin. I do get acne, so we will see. This does have a fragrance to it. I've already kind of swatched it on my neck to make sure it was my actual shade, and it seems to be, it does have a fragrance, and actually the fragrance smells just like the Kim Kardashian West fragrance in Crystal Gardenia, just the original one. I don't know why that smells just like it, but it does. I'm just gonna pump one full pump on the back of my hand, and we'll go from there because I don't want to put too much on. I'm not a huge fan of full coverage, especially when I'm having breakouts, but it feels really thick. Yeah, that smells just like that perfume. And I do have things to do today, so I probably won't even take off my foundation until tonight around 9, and it's about 1 o'clock right now. So I will have like an 8-hour wear test. First impressions, I think it's really pretty. It definitely looks more like my skin tone in real life than it does on camera right now. It kind of looks really light on camera, like I'm two different shades, but in real life it really does look like my shade. I'm trying to like make sure it doesn't get on my white shirt, but here's a close-up. You can still see my acne. Like, people were saying this was super full coverage, but you can still see all of my acne through it. I do think it's really nice. It's already starting to settle into my smile lines though, so I do need to set it with powder. Yeah, the fragrance is quite a bit of a fragrance. So if you're someone who is sensitive to fragrances, this might not be the foundation for you. I am pretty sensitive to fragrance, so we shall see how it goes. I'm gonna try to put a little bit more coverage on my acne because I thought this was supposed to be like super full coverage, covers everything foundation, but honestly, I'm not seeing that. Even with doing that, it's like, you can still kind of see my acne through it. I don't know. Like, my Tarte Shape Tape is so much more full coverage than this. I thought this was supposed to be like full coverage of the full coverage. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face makeup. I'm gonna just rush through it because honestly, it's not anything different than what I normally do, so let's just do that. You guys like how I messed up on my mascara? My mascara went everywhere. So, first impressions, I really like it. Well, actually, might have spoken too soon. So, I don't know if this is just the combination of the Huda foundation and the concealer I used, but it's kind of breaking up underneath my eyes. Like, I don't know if you can tell on camera. Probably not. It just looks fine on camera, but in real life, it's kind of breaking up. It kind of it's like breaking up underneath my eyes. And like already, like I've smiled a couple times, like smiled, like, and it's like already starting to, I'm getting like weird lines here, which I never get, like those lines from when I'm smiling and it's like kind of wrinkled there. I never get lines from that. I'm already starting to get lines in my laugh lines as well. And my under eyes have never been this creasy. So, I don't know if that's the concealer that I used with it. I don't know. My skin doesn't look that good right now. So I might have to try this out again in the future and see, with a different concealer and see how it is with it. But I will be back in a couple hours to give you guys the rundown on how it's been wearing. So it is the end of the day and I've come back. I think it's, I don't even know what time it is right now, but it's been like maybe 6 hours. I think it's like 7:30 or something like that. So it's been like 6 hours since I put on my foundation. And let's see. My nose is peeling a lot, so like that's why it's like off of my nose, but it has sunk into my smile line. It's like broken up. And I am like creasing really bad underneath my eyes. I think it's from the foundation. Because I do put foundation under my eyes as well, and I don't normally ever crease that much. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice foundation. I think it just looks super like foundation-y. So I think in the future I wouldn't set it with powder like I did today. I think I would just kind of leave it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one. I know it's been like a week since I filmed, but there's been so much going on and it's been crazy. But I will see you guys in a couple of days. Stay classy and have a great day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye.